welcome back to Crystal Cooks. If you're looking for a hearty, delicious dinner that feels fancy but comes together in under 30 minutes, you'll love this one. Today we're making pork chops with Parmesan sauce. Here's what you'll need: 4 pork chops, half a teaspoon of salt, a quarter teaspoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of butter, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of milk, 1/3 cup of Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons of grated onion, 3 teaspoons of parsley, a quarter teaspoon of thyme, either fresh or dried, and a quarter teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Now, I'll be honest. Anyone who knows me knows I don't love chopping onions. This recipe called for grated onion, and the only one I had was a red onion that had been sitting in the fridge for about a week. The tears were flowing, and it didn't help that I doubled this recipe on this day, but I'm glad I stuck with it because it added amazing flavor and texture to the sauce. Let's cook. Pat the pork chops dry and sprinkle them with salt and pepper. Then, in a large nonstick skillet, melt the butter and cook the chops over medium heat until the juices run clear. Once they're done, set them aside and keep them warm. We'll come back to them in just a minute. In that same pan, we're making the star of this dish, the creamy Parmesan sauce. Whisk together the flour and milk until smooth. Then bring it to a boil and cook for about 2 minutes until it thickens. If the sauce seems like it's thickening too fast, you can add 1 or 2 teaspoons of milk to thin it out to get it to the right consistency. Then stir in the Parmesan cheese, grated onion, parsley, thyme, and nutmeg, and keep stirring until everything is heated through and creamy. Once the sauce is complete, bring the pork chops back to the skillet and coat them in the sauce. Or plate them up and spoon the sauce over the top and add a little sprinkle of fresh thyme if you'd like. And that's it. Pork chops with Parmesan sauce served with a fresh salad. A hearty, delicious meal in under 30 minutes. Thanks so much for cooking with me today. I'll leave a link to the original recipe below. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite way to cook pork chops, and what would you like to see me make next? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more recipes. See you next time.